Today, we're talking about the 5 best foods to eat if you're over 50. As we age, our bodies go through changes. You might feel less energetic, more forgetful, or take longer to recover from injuries. The good news is, these are signs your body is trying to tell you it's time for a dietary change. Eating healthy not only improves your quality of life, but can also help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other common conditions for older adults. So, what should you be eating? Here are 5 foods to keep your body and mind feeling young after 50, and why they're so beneficial. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, which is great for your skin and eyes. They're also packed with vitamin C to help with tissue repair. A single serving offers around 5 grams of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full. 2. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are an excellent source of both protein and fiber, which help improve digestion and support weight loss. They also contain magnesium for bone health. For those cutting back on red meat, chickpeas are a great alternative in dishes like casseroles and stews. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamins A, C, and K. It's also high in fiber and contains antioxidants that can lower cholesterol, prevent cancer, and keep your heart healthy. It also helps detoxify the body by removing harmful toxins from your liver. 4. Eggplant. Eggplant is a good source of fiber and vitamins A and C, which are important for eye health. It's also high in potassium, which regulates blood pressure and supports heart health. Plus, it contains antioxidants that may help fight prostate cancer. 5. Salmon. Wild-caught salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for bone health, heart health, and a strong immune system. Limit farmed salmon, as it contains higher levels of saturated fat. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.